Hi, I'm Richard St. Jean, Chief Operating Officer at Morongo Casino Resort and Spa and Casino Morongo. Although the COVID-19 pandemic has brought with it unexpected challenges and uncertainty, we remain absolutely certain of one thing, that the well-being of our team members, guests, tribal members, and community is our #1 priority. That commitment led us to develop a plan to keep you safe at Morongo. Designed using this guidance of county, state, and federal health officials and regular consultation with area medical professionals, building upon our already exacting standards for cleanliness. As we continue to learn more from our experts, we'll continue to refine and update this plan. We know the need to stay healthy doesn't end on day one. We also know it's a responsibility that we must all tackle together. We ask that you continue adhering to the guidelines being issued by public health officials to protect yourself and your loved ones by limiting the spread of COVID-19. And when you play safe. Thank you for being our guest, and we'll see you soon. As you've heard us say, we worked on a plan for over 2 months prior to opening, a very robust plan that actually exceeded CDC guidelines. It was approved by the National Indian Gaming Association. It was approved by our gaming agency, and it was implemented with the help of all of you.
We've been doing inspections on a daily basis, going over all the COVID protocols. And we're looking at everything from capacity, machine capacity, facility capacity, thermal screening, mask use by guests and by employees, social distancing on the floor and back of house, sanitizer stations, and the sanitization in general throughout front and back of house areas. Everything what we're doing is basically over what the state has recommended when they send out their recommendations. We comply with everything. It's just ensuring that we continue with the process. Clean and sanitize your stations and your work areas. Ensure your team members have masks to wear and ensure that they wear them front of house and back of house.
Every single one of us in this room goes through our screening process daily. We need to make sure that we're working as a team in order to make this work. It's a process that works. We appreciate your support in our initiatives to keep everyone here safe. Each and every one of you here in this room, along with everyone out on the floor, has worked so hard over the last 3 months, and we realize that, we recognize that. We appreciate them sticking with us, trusting us in our health process. I would like to introduce you all to Dr. Pejman Salampour. I think it's important that you meet him so that you can hear firsthand who we've been guided by, and why a lot of these measures we've put in place are there.
Thank you to every one of you in this room for working so hard in keeping first and foremost yourself safe and then the customers safe. Literally every week we have new research, new knowledge, a better understanding of the virus. COVID safety only works as long as the entire chain works effectively. And this is what we've done. We know the virus is transmitted through respiratory droplets. In terms of personal protection or what you need to do to protect yourselves, you're all doing it. The way to protect yourself and your customers is by wearing a mask. You have to cover any ability of the virus to get inside. Our goal as a casino is to try to clean surfaces as much as possible. Because of your leadership's commitment to your safety, we have a telemedicine program available that helps answer all your team members' questions. I don't think there are too many places that do more than what you're doing. You're responsible for giving pleasure to our people, to our country, showing them that life can get back to normal. Wearing a mask, keeping your hands safe, doing proper testing and screening is the way forward for at least the foreseeable future. Thank you for doing everything you're doing for yourselves, for your families, and for your co-workers, and we're here to help in any and every way. Thank you.
We're just doing exactly what we should be doing to keep ourselves safe and our guests safe.
They've done a lot of changes. They've hired more housekeepers to go around cleaning the machines.
We have a little huddle in the morning before we start our shift and making sure that all bars are clean and sanitized.
We're able to work together as a team to keep everybody safe and take the necessary precautions that need to be taken to keep the guests safe.
They have to scan us when we come in. They scan the customers coming in. Actually, I feel safe coming to work.
After we opened, I realized how big Morongo was, and we had that great expansion, so it was even bigger. So there's ample space to social distance, which is awesome.
It's clean. It's very clean. We walk in the door, they make sure we don't have a temperature, how we're feeling. There's like a little checklist that you have to go down of certain things that you have to do.
We clean our jackpot terminals regularly every time we use them. The slot machines are being cleaned. They have these new sanitizer guns that they're walking around sanitizing the machines.
There's extra cleaning crews all over, and it's just, you can see that everybody's doing their job to make sure everybody's safe.